Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Maryland Elementary School, home of the Makos, the Sharks, and I'm on their campus here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And awesome afternoon getting to spend it with the AM, PM students, the after-school group. And really, it's my first time on campus, and it was such an honor because these students really took to heart what I was trying to convey throughout today's program. And the focus was on bullying. Usually the topic I start with for my initial visit to a school, and I think it rang true that was the right choice, because there were some pin drop moments where they really did, understand what I was really trying to instill in their hearts and in their minds as it relates to looking at someone's heart first before anything else, right? The same way that you treat your best friend is that you always see them for this before anything. And our heart is big as our fist, and we can let that love, kindness, peace, compassion fully enter into here. We can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself. But also two, because in just 2 seconds we can say or do something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a great way forever, or conversely so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we have that choice. And I love that this really tied into their acronym here at their school, which is all over campus. It says be a shark, right? And the SHARK, each one of those letters has a different meaning, but the one that really we probably kind of rang true with today would have been the kindness one. Probably hints of respect too, having the right attitude as well, as it relates to treating yourself and others the right way, treating others the way that you want to be treated, right? The golden rule type of thing. But, for them to understand that no matter what we're going through or will go through or have gone through, that we know a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, but we know that healed people heal people. And we always have that choice, to either rise above the hate and show that person love, including ourselves. Sometimes we have that self-hate or that, non-love going on in here. But also, we can always choose to forgive. And that's not easy to do, right? It's not easy by a long shot. But the more we keep practicing that, the more we change that attitude of ours to one that is of respect and empathy and compassion, that's how we start to not only change ourselves, but we start to change this world, right? It starts by changing ourselves, and then that starts to ripple out, just like a shark making a wave in the ocean. I just tied that together. But really, you see that too, the talk about wave all across campus here, and knowing that we have that power to uplift or destroy. It only takes a few seconds. That's a huge life lesson to get at a very young age. And to also remember not just to look at someone's heart first, but this too. I always talk about this in all my assemblies, but we all, with the lines of our hand, have the letter M etched on our palms. I traced one of mine here. A lot of students did too with their washable marker after the program. But that M stands for Maryland, Makos. Now, it stands for miracle. Maybe that too, but like the front of my shirt, this M is for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. But we have to truly buy into that and believe that before we can not only think about ourselves as miracles, but then go out into this world and be that light to someone else's heart that maybe has forgotten that or never been told that, right? So they understood that too, how special they are, how much power they have to really start to heal this world. So thank you again for touching my heart. I'll be back a couple times this school year to keep growing on what we spoke on today, some other topics and themes. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.